Is Vancouver's coastal climate destroying your rental property's appliances? That salty air and humidity can reduce their lifespan by up to 30. When they inevitably fail, you're facing emergency repair bills of $500 to $800 before parts are even ordered. Under BC's Tenancy Act, the responsibility for those repairs falls on the landlord. So when do you repair or replace? The 50 rule is a good guide, but with Vancouver's high service costs, that threshold is often even lower. We break it all down in our new blog post, linked in the description. If you need expert appliance repair help in Vancouver, call One Click Appliance Repair today.